Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Unreal Mobile Operator to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. Unreal Mobile is a budget-friendly mobile operator that gives you access to nationwide coverage at every affordable price. It runs on major GSM network like at&t, support both physical SIM and eSIM, and also let you bring your own device with a quick setup. The plans are simple, the cost is attractive, and for light data user or anyone who just wants cheap and easy mobile service, it's a very appealing option. However, Unreal Mobile does have its downside. Many customers report billing surprises, unexpected plan changes, and difficulties reaching reliable customer support. Some users also face issues with call quality, porting numbers, or app glitches. While the savings are clear, the overall experience can sometimes feel inconsistent. So in my opinion, the app still worth using if you are mainly looking for a low-cost mobile plan and don't mind the occasional hiccup. But if reliable service and smooth support matter most, Unreal Mobile may not be the best long-time choice for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.